Hello students, welcome back to your e-learning class. You remember in previous video I have shown the steps how to write HTML code. Now in this video I am going to explain or showing the steps how to write different HTML tags and implementations of its attributes. Okay, let's start. First of all, you open your notepad window. Now I am going to open notepad window. Just type here notepad, then press enter key. Okay, just like I am going to zoom. See here notepad window. Type first type the HTML structure like this: HTML head, title, text here, my page 1, close, close title, then close head, then body, then close body, then close HTML. Got it? Then place the cursor, move the cursor in between body and close body tag. In our previous class, we have to discuss heading tags. There are 6 types of heading tags from H1 to H6. Now I am going to display this heading tag, basically used for describe the levels of heading from different sizes, like from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest heading tag and H6 is the smallest heading tag. Now I am going to show here H1 tag. Write H1, close H1. Here type SXHSBH Bharni, and again I am copying this step. Just select it, Ctrl C, copy, then enter, Ctrl V, then Ctrl V, then Ctrl V, then Ctrl V, then enter, Ctrl V. Got it point? Here I am change only the number H2, then move the cursor to the last point, then H2, then down the cursor H3, then H3, then H4, then H4, then H5, then move the cursor H5, then H6, then H6. Got it point? Next students, just move the scroll bar to the top of the page HTML. After that you go to the file menu, click file menu, then option save as, click the save as options, select your desired location where you want to save that file and type your file name, fast FIRST fast, or page 1 or PAG page 1, PAGE page 1 dot HTML. After typing page 1 dot HTML, click the save option. Click the save options. Already page 1 HTML already exists. That means I am already given the name on my desktop screen. That's why this message will be displayed. If do you want to replace it? Yes. Clear? Then minimize your notepad window and see here, this is your file, HTML file. Right click on over file, go to the open with, then select Microsoft Edge, just click it. This is your output window. Got it point? This is your output window. Just maximize. This is the H1. I have given the H1 is the first heading tag. This is the largest heading tag. H1. This is the H1 heading tag. This is the output of H2 heading tag. This is the output of H3 heading tag. This is the output of H4. This is the output of H5. This is the output of H6. H1 is the largest heading tag. H6 the smallest heading tag. Got it point? If you want to move that output screen on the center of the web page, then what we'll do, just minimize your output window, and again open your code window in the taskbar. Here you just type here center tag, CENTER, center, again, and close center tag in the last of the heading tag, close CENTER, center tag. After typing center tag, then again save this file, only click save options, again open your output window, then click here refresh button or press F5. Then here, look at here, your text will be displayed in the center. Got it point? This is the center tag, will be display the center of the text. Okay. Next I am going to font tag. Font tag basically used for formatting the font. Okay. Then you specify the font tag here. Font tag, FONT, font, COLOR, color, equal to RED, red. Then close font tag, in the last enter, close FONT, close font tag. File, click save, then again minimize, then refresh button. Look at here, color will be displayed in the red color. It will be font tag will be change the color of the tag. Look at here the coding part. I am specify here font tag, font color red. If you want to change this color, suppose cyan, again file, click the file, then click save, then minimize your notepad window or code window, then refresh the output window, then the color will be changed to the cyan color. Got it point? Next students, I am going to explain horizontal line tag. Horizontal line tag, as per your select where you place this code. Now I am going to place before the font tag, then HR, width is specified, width equal to percentage 50%, size equal to 20, color equal to